Hi guys! Good morning! Pakita ko lang sa inyo, pasensya nyo na likod ko, yung aking view every morning and every night dito sa South Korea. Ayan. Alam ko medyo malapit siya sa road. Maingay ba dyan pag gabi? No? Actually, pag naka-open yung windows, maingay talaga siya. Pag naka-close siya, double windows kasi to, hindi na dinig. As in. So, currently, walang maandar na aircon. Kasi nga, May to October lang ang pwedeng mag-aircon. The rest of the days, the rest of the months, malamig naman. So, no need for aircon. Okay, so weather now in South Korea, it's 9 degrees. So, naka-heat tech tayo ngayon. Tapos may jacket pa ako ilalagay. Plus may puffer jacket pa ako. Kasi pag malamig at humangin, sobrang lamig. Kagabi as in nangatog ako kasi umulan pa. Anyway, so waiting for my friends na sunduin nila ako dito kasi papunta na sila dito. And I'll update you again later. So, bye! Hello everybody! So, nandito ako ngayon sa Hyunjinmin Fortress. Likod lang ito ng hotel ko. Very nice. Yan yung paligid. Ayan. This is in Dongdaemun Station. Ayan. 360 lang natin. And it's currently 9 degrees. Diba? Ang ganda oh. You see? Hindi masyadong kita sa camera pero ang sobrang ganda. And currently, this is my outfit. Yan. Naka-hat ako kasi grabe, pati ulo ko nilalamig na. Meron pa akong jacket sa loob. May heat tech pa ako niyan. And magpapa-init lang tayo. Pero na akong bumili ng ano dito. Warmers. Ayan. So, ikutin lang natin. Today, I came prepared. Kahapon kasi, hindi ko in-anticipate ang lamig. In-underestimate ko ang lamig ng Korea. Malapit. Ay. Shucks, iikot ako dito mamaya. Sayang, hindi ko napansin. Nandun pa ako bumili sa Dongdaemun. Pero, bura naman din ang nabili ko. Tandahan dito. May 911. Ang galing nila oh. Kasi kanina may tao na nadapa dun sa railway. Buti na lang isang tawag lang. May ano na agad. May aksyon. Sana kayo mga kasama ko. Dito daw sila. Sino kaya sila? Hanapin mo naman. Okay, so back. Nakita na kami, pero balikan muna natin to. This was also called Dongdaemun Gate. It is a historic gateway in South Korea located at the east side of the old city walls. Pwede ka rin umakyat dun sa taas. Yan, gusto mo mag-hiking. did you know that this gate is also the starting point for a walk along the remaining city wall? Guys, di ako, balot na balot ako. Kasi, hindi dahil gusto ko mag-face mask, kundi ang lamig, kailangan mag-face mask. Okay. So, we're off to our next location, which is DDP History and Culture. So, mamaya, mag-video ulit ako. This stream is just near our hotel and near Dongdaemun Design Plaza, just a minute walk away. So, ayan, next is DDP. Ayan na yung DDP, oh. Oh! And, ang daming shopping centers sa paligid. Ayan yung band. Dongdaemun Plaza has the meaning of dream, design, and play. It holds various exhibitions, fashion shows, forums, and other domestic and international events. Kasi yan yung DDP Fashion Mall. Guys, may flowers na dito sa DDP. Ganda naman. Going to Dongdaemun Plaza is free. DDP is open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. DDP is a multicultural complex located at Dongdaemun History and Culture Park Station in Seoul, South Korea. Bababa na kami ng DDP. Yay! That's it for today's video. And guess what? This is just part 1. So stay tuned because more parts are coming real soon. If you had fun, pretty please leave a like, drop a comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Also tap the tiny bell so you won't miss the next ones. Thank you. Love you guys. Take care. Bye!